Hey guys, this is Ricky the Tech, and today I'm bringing up the video about most of the time people are having problem with their phones while they're using, or suddenly they started like a black screen or the loading icon on it. So there's an easy fix for that one. So all you need to do is like quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, and then right away hold down the power button until you see the Apple logo coming back up on the screen. So once you see the Apple logo, release all the power button and you should be good after that. So now you can see the phone is booting up and it's perfectly fine. Everything is good. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave your comment below if you have any problem with your phone. I will try to bring up the video and will try my best. So that's it for the day. Thank you.